Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to function as a introductory video to this specific channel, and it's going to deal with the Asian range. Now, since this is my first video, I want to let you all know what I will be uploading. So essentially, it will be trading concepts regarding the IPDA, which is the interbank price delivery algorithm, and how it trades on a day-by-day basis, which is essentially what drives the market. Now, before we continue, as you can clearly notice, I'm using a voice changer, and that's in order to protect my identity and myself, due to the fact that some of the content I will be releasing in the near future, I'm not supposed to be publicly talking about it, and I want to protect myself. So, lastly, I also want to give credit to ICT, just because some of the concepts I will be using have been publicly released by him, ICT himself, and I feel like it's only fair to give credit to him. Now, let's continue with the charts. Okay, so you're currently watching a 15-minute gold chart. Now, today is the 10th of July 2021, and we're going to be discussing the Friday's price action, which essentially starts here at this point with this candle and ends right here with this candle. Before we continue and I reveal all my drawings and markings, if you're coming from a retail background or you trade retail concepts on a daily basis, I want you to forget about that for the duration of this video and try to understand the ideas I'm presenting you here, and hopefully those can help you and improve your trading. So let's continue. Let's reveal all the drawings. Okay, so forget about this red line at the top and at the bottom for now. I want you to focus on the price action in between this vertical blue line and the one at the end, right here. Now, the price action in between these two lines is known as the Asian range, and I'm gonna highlight that for you. Okay, so right here we got our Asian range. This is, remember, this is where the day starts, this is where the day ends. So what's important inside this range? I want you to look at the highest high inside the range, which is this wick, and the lowest low of the range, which is this wick right here. Now, before we continue with that, let's talk a bit about the timings. The Asian range starts at 11 UK time and ends at 6 AM in the morning UK time. Just in case you're watching this video from anywhere else in the world, you need to do the conversion yourself. Now, what's important inside this range and how you can combine it and use it with your daily bias is the highest high and lowest low, as previously mentioned, and the reason why is from 11 till 12. So right here we got Sydney session, which is essentially when the algorithm resets and a new trading day starts. So when the day starts, price is going to be magnetized to liquidity pools, and the Asian range high and the Asian range low are essentially that, liquidity pools. So whenever you come in the market, and let's assume you're here, you're coming to the markets at 6:30, 7 a.m. in the morning, you want to pay close attention to the high and the low, as those are liquidity, and the algorithm is going to target them. Now, it's very important that you go into the market with a bias for the day. So let's assume you were bullish, and you were expecting bullish price action, which I indeed was for this particular day. So what you would like to see is in the scenario of a bullish day, you want the low to be taken first into the high. And the reason for that is due to basic candle formation. The formation of a bullish daily candle is the following. You will get the tail first, then you will get the body, right? At some point in the day you will get the high, and then you will get the close. Essentially you have the open, low, high, close. That's the sequence of a bullish daily candle. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Okay. Now, whenever you come at to the charts, right after the Asian range has formed, you already have one landmark, which is going to be the open, which is also the start of the Asian range. So if you're expecting bullish price action, you want the low to be grabbed into the high or the range expansion. Now there is ways to know when the high or low is going to be protected, because those things happen as well. And it's due to big banks or institutions sitting behind that price and really not wanting that to get liquidated. There are footprints you can read and see in the charts for you to know that. However, that's a discussion for another day. For this particular video, I just wanted to present you the ideas of where you should be focusing on when looking at an Asian range and what the timings are. Now, most often not, you will get either the low or the high is going to be printed anywhere between 3 to 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Now in this case, as you can see, we not only have the Asian high, we also have Asian high plus relative equal highs, right? Retail traders like this price to sell, so the algorithm likes this price to target it and grab the liquidity sitting above it. So if you're planning on a bullish day, you would want the low to be grabbed into an area where banks are likely to buy. And what could those areas be? For example, in this case, this particular day, we had the Asia low grabbed into an IC structure, order block, whatever you want, liquidity void, whatever you want to call it. It's essentially being grabbed into here, which if we zoom into a lower time frame and reposition the chart, this down move right here is essentially what grabbed the liquidity wrestling here. So we know banks are interested in returning here due to the fact that they have open positions they need to mitigate before continuing the up move. Also, what are if we look here, let me remove this quickly. And if we draw this line across here, and we move this out the way just for you guys to see it clearly, we have a trend line building here. Now, when you first start trading, what you're going to learn is that you are supposed to buy at the third and magical touch of the trend line. However, market makers are aware of that, so they will use that in their favor to liquidate even more retail positions. So in this case, we had an Asian low sitting on that trend line, which is a huge liquidity pool for price to snap through. In this case, you can see we have one, two, three touches. You even get a strong bullish candle right here, which is essentially inducing buyers, making them want to buy. I can guarantee you there are a lot of traders that are looking to buy here, especially when you get this bullish close. They're going to be buying, 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 chasing price. And what is the algorithm going to do? It's going to snap it into an area of interest, and it's going to build the tail for the day. Once you get the tail, if you're bullish, you're going to get the expansion, which is this move right here. As you can see, this low never gets taken out, and essentially you can use this timing and liquidity ideas to frame trades in your favor, assuming you got the bias right, which is something I will be touching on future videos. However, the Asian range still has a lot to touch on. On the other hand, I feel like this is enough discussion for this video. I think it functions as a decent introduction video, and the main takeaways I want you to get out of this video are basically the timing. I'll repeat it one more time. Starts at 11, ends at 6 a.m. in the morning for the UK. And what your focus should be on, which is the highest high and the highest low. And yeah, you can use those things in your favor in order to frame trades throughout the intraday price action that you're going to get. On future videos, I will get into how you get an actual entry. For some of you who may be familiarized with these concepts, you could probably see how, but for those of you who are not familiarized, you're going to have to wait for future videos. So I think this functions as a okay introductory video, and this is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys are well, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I will be releasing future videos very soon. Take care, everyone.